Hi Vanja.
Hi Cha.
Your bracelet is very pretty.
Thank you.
Is it gold?
Yeah, it is gold. Gold is known for its brilliant bright color and is extremely rare but valuable. Gold can be used to make jewelry and is sold at higher price. It is extracted from hard mined ore and it involves the use of mercury.
Mercury? Isn't it dangerous?
Yeah, it is dangerous. Mercury is a heavy silvery D block that is known to be the only metallic element that remains liquid at room temperature. Mercury can extract gold through amalgamation process that separates gold from crushed ore by forming amalgam. Besides that, mercury can be used as thermometers because it is highly sensitive to temperature changes. It is also made fluorescent bulb by emitting invisible ultraviolet light, which is more energy saving.
Mercury is highly dangerous to humans. One reason is because it can easily evaporate into toxic vapor, even at room temperature. When people breathe in the vapor, it enters the lungs and bloodstream. It can damage the brain, lungs, kidneys, and nervous system. Long-term exposure may cause dizziness, shaking hands, memory loss, breathing problem, and other serious neurological disorders. Mercury does not disappear easily from the environment. Once released into rivers and soil, it can remain for a very long time. In water, mercury can change into an even more toxic form called methylmercury. This toxic substance builds up inside fish and enters the food chain. Animals and humans who consume contaminated seafood may also be poisoned. During gold extraction, heating mercury gold amalgam releases toxic mercury vapor into the air, affecting miners and nearby communities. In short, this mining process can cause long-term harm to both human and nature.
When dealing with hazardous materials like mercury, the first thing that you need to know is you need to wear a proper personal protective equipment. Always ensure that you have illuminated film gloves, fitted goggles, and a fitted respiratory mask to prevent any entry of vapor of mercury inside your respiratory. And then secondly, it is crucial to never pick up mercury with your bare hands, and also remember to remove any jewelry that you are wearing when you're entering the lab or in a mining area to prevent any reactions from the mercury with the metals or anything that you are wearing. And then thirdly, you need to eliminate mercury hazards at the source. We must transition to safer mining methods. There are two highly effective alternatives. The first one is the gravity concentration method, which utilizes making stables and centrifugal concentrators to separate minerals mechanically without chemicals. The second one is the borax melting method. It is by mixing gold concentrate and borax and applying heat. Borax lowers the melting point of gold and causes the mixture to melt immediately, allowing the heavy gold to safely sink to the bottom for the collection. Lastly, daily operation requires strict handling and containment. Always implement secondary containment system to catch any accidental spill before they spread, and always use an airtight container to avoid gas leakage.
Mercury may help extract gold, but the damage it leaves behind can last for generations.
From polluted rivers to serious health problems, the hidden cost of gold mining is far greater than its value.
By using safer mining methods, proper protection, and spreading awareness, we can reduce the dangers of mercury exposure and protect both people and the environment. Because in the end, no amount of gold is worth risking human lives and our planet.